Dear viewers, and welcome to this special video where we explore the incredible strength that lies within each and every one of us. It's easy to forget how resilient we truly are when faced with life's challenges. Today, I want to remind you of the unwavering support and love Allah provides, helping us become stronger individuals even when we may not realize it, embracing trials as opportunities. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, a roller coaster of emotions and experiences. Often, when we encounter difficult situations, we may feel overwhelmed, thinking we are weak and unable to cope. But little do we know that Allah is right there with us, guiding us through each challenge. Every trial we face is an opportunity for growth and improvement. Allah puts us through these tests not to break us, but to make us stronger. Each obstacle is a stepping stone on our path to becoming better versions of ourselves, recognizing the power of patience. In moments of difficulty, we must remind ourselves of the power of patience. Allah tells us in the Quran that with every difficulty there is relief. So be patient, for the dawn of ease is just around the corner. When you are patient, you show the strength to endure, and that strength will carry you through the darkest of times. Patience is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is a display of unwavering faith in Allah's plan for you. Embracing resilience. Allah has gifted us with a remarkable ability, resilience. We may not always realize it, but with each challenge we face, we bounce back stronger than before. Just like a tree standing tall against strong winds, we too have the power to weather life's storms. Believe in your resilience, for it is the beacon of hope that will guide you through the darkest nights. Finding strength in faith. In times of uncertainty, our faith becomes our fortress. When you feel weak, turn to Allah. He is your greatest source of strength and support. Prayer is not just a ritual, but a conversation with the Almighty, who is always listening. In moments of prayer and reflection, you will find a renewed sense of purpose and the courage to face any challenge that comes your way. Gratitude and trust in Allah's plan. Amidst the chaos of life, let's not forget to be grateful for everything we have. Gratitude is the key to finding peace in our hearts and contentment in our souls. Trust in Allah's plan, for He knows what's best for us. Even in the face of adversity, know that Allah is molding you into a stronger, more resilient, and compassionate individual. As we conclude our discussion viewers, always remember that Allah is making you so much stronger, even if you may not realize it at times. Embrace life's challenges as opportunities for growth. Be patient and have faith in Allah's plan. Through gratitude and trust, you will discover the strength within you that was there all along. May Allah bless you with unwavering strength, resilience, and a heart filled with love and compassion. Thank you for watching, and until next time.